Hey everyone, thought I'd make a quick video just to show you how to get the gantry perpendicular to the side frames if you're having any issues. So what would happen is that, you'd set it to the back, and this is the rear assembly here, and there's the screws back here that it bumps up against, and then the same thing on the other side, so you can see the screw over there. And what would happen is that one would hit and one wouldn't hit. So, and that may, skew the image you're burning or causing some issues. So, in order to fix that, you have to remove one cover on one side. So this is the right side here. It has 3 screws, one at the top, bottom, and then on the side here, there's these tiny little screws. And then the cover will pop off. And then you see the gear in there that the belt rides on. There's 2 screws, or set screws, so you can see that one set screw right there. And if I turn around, there's another set screw there. So what you'll do, it's a 1.5 1.5 millimeter. What you'll do is you'll take your driver and fit it in the kind of like in that slot there, and then you're able to access those set screws, and then you can loosen them up and push the gantry back, and you can kind of play with the gear, like twist it a little bit, make sure it's loose, twist it, push it all the way to the back, and then tighten them back up, and you should be good to go. And then now they both hit when you bring it either forward or backwards. So hopefully that helps everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.